uSibusiso Mbatha obaziwa kakhulu ngelikaChoma obeneminyaka eyi12 ubudala ubenza uGrade 6 eKhehlekile Primary School eThokoza. Ushone ngomsombuluko odlule ebusuku emva kokuzikhunga. Kusolakala ukuthi uthisha washo amagama athize ngento ayiyo nokungamagama angahlalanga kahle kuye.
The person did come and said that yes indeed I said that your gazing must be outside the gate of the school. You'll collect it when you go home.
Umndeni uchaze uSibusiso njengomuntu obethandwa futhi amukelekile emphakathini njengoba ebeyingxenye yeqembu lamatshitshi.
He was part of amatshitshi. That's how he was loved by the community. So he was not living in isolation or a child who's depressed or a child who hasn't come out of the closet.
Namhlanje Umnyango Wezemfundo eGauteng uvakashele esikoleni obekufundwa kuso uSibusiso uyowethula Ithimba Labameli Abazimele abajutshwe ukuba benze uphenyo ngalolu daba.
For us as a department, we want to ensure that we close this chapter properly for the family and the schooling community at large. So we brought in an independent law firm to give us an independent assessment of what could have happened.
uSibusiso ufihlwe ngomgqibelo odlule. Umnyango Wezemfundo esifundazweni ujube ithimba elizoluleka ngokwengqondo umndeni kaSibusiso, abangani bakhe kanye nothisha besikole abefunda kuso. Kulonyaka nje kuphela bangamashumi amane abafundi abashone ngokuzibulala esifundazweni eGauteng.